SAN Technology Standards. The Storage Area Network, SAN, technology is governed by several key standards and protocols that help ensure interoperability, scalability, and performance in managing block-level storage across multiple servers. 1. Fibre Channel FC. Overview. Fibre Channel FC is one of the most widely used SAN protocols for high-performance, low-latency, and reliable data transfer between servers and storage devices. Speeds. Fibre channel speeds have evolved over time, with the current standard supporting up to 128 gigabits per second. Topology. Fibre channel supports several topologies, including point-to-point, fabric, and arbitrated loop, FCL. Redundancy and high availability. Fibre channel fabrics are designed with multiple paths, providing redundancy and ensuring high availability. Usage. Fibre channel is typically used in large enterprise environments or data centers where high throughput, low latency, and scalability are crucial. 2. iSCSI, Internet Small Computer System Interface. Overview. iSCSI is a block-level storage protocol that uses standard Ethernet networks to connect storage devices with servers, making it cost-effective and accessible for small to medium-sized businesses. Transmission. iSCSI uses TCP/OIP for data transmission, which means it can work over existing IP-based networks like Ethernet, rather than requiring specialized fiber channel networks. Cost-effective. Because iSCSI uses standard Ethernet hardware, it is more affordable than fiber channel-based SANs and is often used in smaller, less demanding environments. Speed. iSCSI has evolved to support higher speeds, with modern implementations supporting up to 100 gigabits per second using Ethernet. 3. Fibre Channel over Ethernet FCoE. Overview. FCoE combines the Fibre Channel protocol with Ethernet networks, allowing fiber channel traffic to be transmitted over Ethernet links. Efficiency. FCoE allows the use of Ethernet infrastructure while maintaining the performance benefits of Fibre Channel. Simplified cabling. FCoE reduces the need for separate fiber channel infrastructure by utilizing Ethernet switches and cables for both storage and data network traffic. 4. NVMe over Fabrics, NVMe-OF. Overview. NVMe over Fabrics, NVMe-OF, is the latest high-performance protocol designed for modern flash storage. It allows non-volatile memory express, NVMe, devices to be accessed over a network fabric, providing extremely fast storage access. Speed and latency. NVMe-OF provides low latency, high throughput access to storage, making it ideal for environments that require extremely fast data processing, like AI, machine learning, and big data analytics. Protocols. NVMe-OF supports various network fabrics like Ethernet, InfiniBand, and Fibre Channel.